how to book a platform ticket online in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can book a platform ticket online using your Android or iOS devices. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is download the UTS mobile application using the App Store or the Play Store. So if you couldn't find it, simply open your App Store or Play Store and simply search for UTS. Once you have searched, hit the search button and download this particular application by Center for Railway Information Systems. And once you will download this, simply open this application, and once the application opens up, you will be greeted with this particular screen. Now over this screen you can see a number of different types of tabs, and on these tabs you need to click onto this platform ticket option. Now once you click onto this platform ticket option, you have two different subsections. The first one is book and travel and the another one is book and print. So in order to go completely digital, and this is also a much more seamless process, you can go with this paperless option over the left. So it will also ask you for a location permission, which you will need to allow. So simply click onto this turn on button, and then from here you need to type in the station name or the station code. So you can type in the station name or station code, and then from here you need to select the number of persons for you for whom you want the platform ticket. So let's say it is currently select to 1, you can select up to 4, and then you will need to specify the payment type. So you can choose our wallet, or you may also pay using UPI, debit, credit or net banking. So once you have selected your appropriate payment type, after that you can click onto this book ticket button, and once you will click onto this book ticket button, you might need to log in, and after logging in it will ask you for the payment. So you can choose any of the payment methods available, and after the payment you will receive a successful platform ticket on this particular application. So that was all for this tutorial on how to book a platform ticket using your mobile phones. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.